You can take a bath, but you have to be gentle where the grafts have been placed. You can make lather with shampoo or soap, put it gently, pour water with a mug, or you can soak your head in a bathtub. But you should not go under a fast shower, nor wipe it like this for the first 7 days. The grafts are in place just by the body's own glue, fibrin. They are not stitched into place, so they are delicate in that first 1 week. In 1 week, the skin heals and the grafts are in their new position. After 1 week, you can rub the area, do whatever you want, and the grafts will not go away. Next. Once the hair roots are transplanted, the next question comes, because we are not transplanting long hair, we are transplanting the roots, living roots. The next question comes is, when will we see the hair growing from them? It takes anything between 2 to 10 months for the initial growth to start. In some people, you may notice early growth, but on the whole, we advise people to assume that they will get the full growth only at the 1 year mark, not earlier. The growth is also very gradual. You will notice 5-10 new hairs sprouting every day. It will not be that all of them start growing on one fine day. Okay? Next. Now, before we go to the results, I would like to ask if you have any questions about the techniques. You can ask me.
How much time does it take?
The FUHD procedure, the strip one, it takes 1 full day. It starts starting at 9:30 and finishing by around evening. But for the fuse procedure, it takes a few days. Like in a single day, we can transplant something like 1,000 grafts. So if a person is going for, say, 4,000 grafts, we perform it over 4 consecutive days. Okay? Similarly, body hair transplant, assuming we can perform around 1,000 grafts a day, if a person wants to go for, say, something like 10,000, it may take up to a week's time.
How many hair you take in one graft?
One graft, I'll just show you the picture of the graft. Picture is start to the graft picture. Free hair. It's as it grows in nature, we take it that way. Like this, this is 3 hair graft, this is 2 hair graft, this is 1 hair graft. So we take it as it grows in nature. Anything else?
सर डोनर एरिया जो होती है उसमें बाल दोबारा आ जाते हैं?
The hair roots which are extracted from the donor area, that will not grow back again. But we take it out in such a way, like in fuse technique, we take it out at random. No 2 adjacent hair roots will be taken out, or grafts will be taken out, so that there is no big gap. Similarly, in the strip method, we take out the strip from the center, and the hair on top and below it, that covers it.
How do you say which out of these 2, which should be decided? How do you get?
We prefer
individual patient or?
We prefer to educate the patient about the pros and cons of both the methods. After that, the patient has to decide, because it's not that one thing is very good or the other thing is very bad. You have to fit your hair transplant into your life. It can't be the other way around. Like for example, in the fuse method, though it is less invasive, there is no stitches, but a person has to shave off the donor area. Now there are people I know who cannot take so much time out of their busy schedule. They cannot go around with their head shaved. Right? So it is basically up to the patients to decide which method they want to go for.
Sir, how much it costs?
But the results are the same. Results are the same?
Yes, results are the same. For the same number of grafts, for same type of hair, the results are same. Today you shall be seeing patients who have got the strip method done. You shall also be seeing patients who have got fuse or body hair done. So I think that will be a better answer.
I think you have shown in figure number 6 and 7.
Yeah.
How to decide?
You are talking about the normal classification.
Yes. In such cases, how to decide about?
How to decide about what?
Grafting which method and how
No,
to
see,
decide
if you have, and if you want a decent result, you will have to go for body hair also. Because from the scalp alone, we cannot take out sufficient number of hair to be able to cover an area which is 4 times as large. So when we have to use the body hair, that means we will have to use the fuse method. Right? So you can either combine body hair graft extraction along with the strip method from here, or you can go for completely fuse method for the scalp as well as the body hair.
That will be individualized according to the patient.
Sorry?
The method should be individualized according to the patient and
According to the patient's choice. Yeah.
and disease.
Yes.
Say, for example, you have given an optimum grafts. How much time is going to take in this case?
See, if we are going for 15,000 plus grafts and in a single session, that will mean one scenario will be that you take out one full length strip, which will give you 5,000 grafts. That will be done in a single day. That can be coupled with subsequent days with body by taking fuse grafts from around that. So that should take about at least 5 to 6 days.
Okay. In totality?
Yes, in total. The other way, if you want to go only for fuse method, it will take more.
Okay.
Sir, what is the cost?
The cost details will come to later on. Okay. Anything about the technical aspect you can ask me right now. Anything about all these methods?
And the total, it will take 1 year.
Yes.
And till that time you want the person to shave his head or?
No, you can shave if you want, but we don't require that. What happens, like hair starts growing at month 2. So it may grow to a particular extent by say month 8, but the hair which has started growing at month 8 will not have grown that long. So during this 10 months to 12 months is the time when all the hair grow to the same length and you have cut them a couple of times, so you get the maximum density. That's why when patients sometimes come and they say that we want more density, say 6 months or 7 months, we tell them to wait for 1 year. And usually they do not require more density. Once they notice the maturation phase, the density improves and it does further.
Sir, can we transplant hair from one person to another one?
No, that has not been successful till now. Person to person transplant, that is what it is called, it has not been successful till now. It is based upon an observation, that is, the hair in this